Hello everyone, welcome to our term class. Today we're going to present you expressing possibility, probability, present and future, and a social and personal letter. First of all, we're going to with the expressing possibility and probability, present and future. The first example here, in class, teacher and tools are probably not the only sources of information. This sentence expresses probability because the expression is probably not. To express probability, possibility, and doubt, we have three levels. The first one here, very sure, 100%. Some examples. I'm sure we will find a solution to the problem of COVID-19. I'm quite sure we will find a solution to the problem of COVID-19. It is sure that we will find a solution to the problem of COVID-19. I bet we will find a solution to the problem of COVID-19. I believe that we will find a solution to the problem of COVID-19. I think that we'll find a solution to the problem of COVID-19. And then we are sure that we will find a solution to the problem of COVID-19. Okay, these are expressions to express when you are very sure. As you see on the screen, very sure, 100%. So we can use this expression for that. The second level, sure but not very, more than 50%. We can say here, maybe it will be ready for the presentation on Monday. Perhaps it will be ready for the presentation by Monday. Or it is possible he will be ready for the presentation by Monday. It is probable that it will be ready for the presentation by Monday. The next level here, we can say not sure at all. This is the third level. I doubt she will be among us for the meeting. I don't think, or if you can say, I don't believe she will be among us for the meeting. I'm not sure, or I'm not quite sure she will be among us for the meeting. And then, it is not possible, or it is not probable she will be among us for the meeting. Okay, let's come to the activity. Instruction. What would you say in the following situations? The first one here. Musa is a very hard-working student and he has a good mark in the classroom. The second, the teacher has class at 8. It is 20 past 8 and he hasn't shown up. The third, Seydou suffering from coronavirus but is taking pills against it. And the last one, it is the rainy season. There are clouds in the sky. Okay, these are some activities about which you can use some expression with probably and possibly and doubt if you want. Okay, the next lesson here. Writing task. Social, personal letter, informal. Of course, we have two kinds of letter which are social or administrative letter. Then, today we're going to see a social letter or a personal letter if you want. Okay, the layout and organization of a personal or social letter. What is a social letter or a personal letter. It is generally a letter sent to a father, a mother, a friend, or a relative. A social letter includes 6 parts. The first one here, we have the writer or the sender's address without the name and at the right side of the page. The second, we have the date without the day. The third, the opening or the salutation if you want, but at the left side of the page. It means it's opposite to the writer's address, but not on the same line. For example, here, dear X or Y, hello or hi X or Y, or you can say, or you can write the receiver's first name. The fourth one, the body or the contents of the letter. It means the message you are going to write. The fifth, the closing or the ending of the letter. For example, you can say friendly, yours, or yours, etc. And the last one is the name. You write the sender's name or his full name. Okay, after this, going to the activities. The first activity here is 1. Instruction. Here are the different elements you may find in a social or a personal letter. 1. Here, the content or the body. We have the dates. We have the closing or ending. We have the writer's address. We have the name, and finish, we have salutation or opening. So this first activity means here that we have the element in disorder. The element of the letter in disorder, you have to put them, in the correct order. Like the second activity we're going to see together right now. Okay, instruction, activity 2. Here are the parts of a friendly letter in this order. Rewrite the same letter in the correct order with the appropriate layout. Here also, the elements of the letter are in disorder, as you see in the instruction. Take care. My friend, I'm going to tell you that I'm going to pay a visit to my uncle Brahma, who is living in Ivory Coast next month. Think will be exciting. Brahma, dear friend, June the 10th, 2020, TLL1, Lycée Amadoun Diko de Sévaré. Okay, these elements here are to put in real order. I was going to say, for example, you can take the address first. You take the address. The address here is Burama, or as we say without the name, the address here we can say TLL1, Lycée Amadoun Diko de Sévaré. This is on the right of the page. And then after that, you put the date. And there it's June the 10th, 2020. After that, you go on the left of the page and you put dear friend. And then after, you take the salutation. And then after that, you take my friend I'm going to tell you that I'm going to pay a visit to my uncle Brahma, who is living in Ivory Coast next month. Think will be exciting. I repeat again. My friend, I'm going to tell you that I'm going to pay a visit to my uncle Brahma, who is living in Ivory Coast next month. Think will be exciting. And the closing here is take care. Take care, which we have here at the beginning of the activity. And after that, you put at the end Burama. Okay? So, this activity may help you to write any personal letter you want if you see the real order of the elements that you are given here. So, I think that is all for today, and hoping to see you next month. By the way, bye-bye.